this thing? Is it... I don't know if I can see anyone in chat. Doc stats? No, that doesn't help. Docs. Where's the... How do I know if... Stream manager. I have no idea. Got it. Oh, okay, so I am live. Neat. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, not sure about YouTube though. Trying to figure out if it's really running. What's this? Emotes, highlights. Can I do that? I don't know. Probably. Chat settings. Neat. Okay. At least I have a way to view chat. Yeah, definitely need another screen. Okay, time to tell people, I guess. How do I share this? This is so weird. Ah, share stream. Perfect. Okay, let's post this on Discord. I guess that's one way. Okay, that's it's just that. That's RA. Okay, let's see live. Yeah. All right, it's up. All right, so I'm up. It's live. It's running. Let me just tweet a bit and a few things, and then I can start working on a few things. Okay, where's that dash? Ah. Okay. Right. Twitter. Do I want that? Yeah, why not? Close that. Refresh. Come on, Elon Musk. Screw that. Okay, forget it. Moving on, let's just start building the thing. Okay, clone my Kotak. Oh, maybe I should also what's up that guy. Right, code. I don't know if I want to use code spaces. Should I use code spaces? Who knows? Right. I mean, it's just a static site, right? Let's just see. Alright, so what do I have? Just view press, and if I clone this, I will get that. I should probably clean up my computer. All these little side projects that I just can't get around to finishing. Moving on. just to make sure. Okay, moving on. Let's build the thing. Or should I go to here and site? Yeah, everything needs to work inside of here. Actually, let's try readme. CDF drive sides. And yep, and then yarn. What was it? Yarn dev. Right, yarn install. There we go. Okay, so I gotta revisit my view press. This is my first time using view press, if anyone's asking. Okay, and get started, blah blah blah. Have we gone through the installation? So, okay, so basically, everything goes under dot to write. Come on. SRC, there, okay. So basically, if I look at here, yeah, there's guide, and then there's also index.md. If I were to open up index.md, I would see that whole boilerplate free-ish e-commerce thing. No, it's not. Right. By SRC, index.md. Close enough. Okay, so we got. So that's where the content is at. So it's basically markdown files directly on nearly the root of the site. So if I were to work with make my application with love, yes. I don't know what to do. Should I get rid of this hero image? Can I just comment it? How do you comment in markdown? How to comment in markdown? Spam. Perfect. I have no idea how to get rid of that spam. First person to actually just bomb into my stream, and it's a bot spamming my chat. Way too many plugins for me to look at. Forget it. Okay, moving on. Okay, so I don't see a way for me to put comments. No, there is no way to do comments. Alright, hero image. I'm sure I can use that for something, a giant logo. Alright, Canva, let's go. Let's make this logo thing. God, frick. Okay. Yes. Okay, moving on. Seriously creative design. Do I want an animated logo? I would like an animated logo. Actually, do I need to make another logo? I don't think so, because alright, so what I'm planning to do is basically what's new features. Basically what I want to do is just basically build this damn thing, this kotak thing. I thought I had it. Where is my search? Where's it? Here it is. In the middle of the page. Huh? Where's all my logos? Where's all the logos? Oh crap. Instagram. So I've already made these social media accounts for this little side project I'm working on. The problem is, well, too busy, a lot of things going on. I can't do everything at once. I have to be a coder, I have to be a marketer. Um, it's kind of sucky if you're going to be full stack plus other business stuff to it. No, it's not network. I think. Yeah, this one. Shoot, I don't know where that is. No, I don't want to move that. Frick. Uh, I'll change that later on. Moving on. Why? I don't pin that. Chat will be cleared and any settings selected in shield mode will immediately be activated. What does that mean? Oh, okay. Especially for first times. Okay, okay. I have no idea. What a mod. What is this? What am I? How do I? I have no idea. Should I just? Okay, just disable shield mode. I am probably disable. Okay, that's close enough. Disable. Yeah, but I also want to allow. Turn off. There we go. Okay. So I don't know how to get rid of this, but we'll look into that afterwards. Mute. I'm gonna have to mute. Where is that? Yeah, there we go. Okay, moving on. Let's build the thing. Um, Alright. Yeah, that's my video pitch. Something Trello. Okay, so Trello. Okay, let's see. Explain what contact is, explain the problem, and explain how the solution works. Okay, now that is easier said than done. Quick start, what is that? Where is that at? Quick start is there. You press doc for it. Let's see. How do I get rid of? You press blah blah blah. It goes to guide. I think that's what that does. So if I click, yeah, it goes to the guide. I don't want you going to the guide. You should go somewhere else. Let's work on creating a form. Do I just want a simple form? If you're interested, how do you sign up? Capturing emails is probably close to it, right? Something simple like capturing an email. Um, Hero. Okay, let's. Okay, these parts I'm gonna have to work on those later. Now for the feature titles. So it's free. Shopify, but free. Did we mention it's free to use? I have no idea, man. I'm just winging this. Have an e-commerce site that you can own. Okay, and then in description, or better yet, your own e-commerce site details. As a seller, you should own your data and customers, and own your data, customers, orders, and be able to offer more convenience to your customers, probably. Okay, last one. No more bumping posts. No more bumping posts. Advertising your product service on Facebook Marketplace or Instagram may get flooded by many other sellers and posters. No, these are features, not benefits. These are features, not benefits. So if I want a feature of something, what would it be? Well, it's free. What else? What else? What else? What else? Frick. What else can it do? Catalog, I guess. Put a catalog. Your own e-commerce site. Unlimited product uploads. Display all of your products. Prices, pictures, videos, descriptions, etc., variants, etc., as much as you want. Okay. Okay, so I don't know why that is. Okay, yarn. Is that yarn dev? No, it's not. Okay, yarn dev. Okay, so what does that look like? Host. Network. Yes, allow access. Come on. Localhost 8080. I don't know if I need to install NVM. Yeah, I do. Okay, choco install nvm.install-y. Alright. Basically, what happened here is that some of the node modules that it installed does not work with the latest node 18, node version 18. So I'm moving it down to version 16. That's what I found out in the forums, in Stack Overflow especially. So nv refresh, and then I should be able to, let's see, right now I'm on version 18. Now if I use nvm use this? 16.19.0. Nope. MVM. Hi. Says it's installed. Unless I have to completely close this. Reopen it. CD. F drive sides. What's contact? Site. Yeah. I have so many of these. Okay. NVM. Ha. Wait, what the duck? Joko install nvm dot install dash y. It's already installed. I think I know. Reopen my terminal. Is that correct? Yeah, it is. It is. Okay. I am a noob at streaming. Forgive me. Okay, moving on. F drive sides. Site. Okay, yarn. Oh, hold on. NVM. Yes, okay, now works. NVM use 16.19.0. That is all. NVM install 16.19.0. And then just switch. Man, that's easy. Well, so far. although I'm a little surprised why it's not updated enough to handle the latest LTS version 18. Yikes, it's almost 11? I hardly did anything. Okay, so I'm going to keep this simple. I'm just going to create a simple landing page, get it deployed, hopefully tonight, and then promote it to a few places, Facebook groups, Telegram groups, and I don't know if I can find any WhatsApp groups for me to promote to, asking if anyone wants to try use this thing, but who knows. I'm just winging it. But then again, it's also a deal breaker if I can't find any potential beta testers to use this system, this little e-commerce platform that I'm building. What's the point, right? Okay. Here. Let's see. No one in chat. Okay. Well, I don't know if it's because I accidentally enabled shield and I don't know if it's still enabled. No, it's still streaming. I don't know why it says offline and the duration. Do a quick look here. How would I do that? I have no idea. Moving on, shield bands. Just gonna do a test. Oh, okay, so I can definitely see it on my phone. See what left, and highlights, brief. Okay. Okay, so my local host is up. Alright, perfect. So it's a little bit better. Still need to figure this thing out. We'll work on that. Okay, so CDF sides website, and then inside src, and I think it might be in config. That's a directory. What is this? Okay, no idea. Moving on. What's in W plus components config.js? I don't know what's in there. Let's just take a look. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, there's a title right there. Okay, so let's change this. Kotak. Welcome to Kotak. Let's see what else. Okay, so we got guide, we got config. We should probably change these. There's a sidebar for guide. Edit links. Can I do true? Team configuration. Here's the default team configuration for the view press. I wonder if we can change the themes. Okay, so view press themes. There's awesome view press. Neat. I am using V1. Okay. Blah blah blah. Plugins. Blog plugin. Neat. Back to top. Google Analytics. Probably. L. Then yeah, let's do that. Medium zoom. I don't know what that is. Progress. PWA. Search. Do I want to give search? Forget search, I guess. I need some music, so I don't know if this is going to cause any problems. Programming music. Yeesh. Yeah, forget music. Let's just power through in silence. Okay. Community plugins. Ooh, rapid flowchart development. Sitemap. I'm sure all this is great for SEO. MailChimp. Simplify subscribing email addresses. It would be great if I can have that, but I'm not looking for. So the people I'm dealing with aren't big fans of emails. I mean, I just overheard someone talking over at lunch, a table next to me, trying to start a business and trying to deal with all these little things here and there. And one guy was just complaining, "Oh, it's so difficult with emails." Emails isn't that difficult. It's just a notepad on the internet, right? Anyways, BT ad doc. Ooh, elegant view testing. I wonder what that looks like. BP. What does it look like? Oh. Well, yeah, I can see you. Moving on. Ooh, that actually looks nice. There's a guide, API. Install. It's all here in this guide. Should I go with the guide? Or instead of guide, it would be like. Yeah, let's go with guide. Let's stick with guide. So at least it'll cover several things. And in there, there's. I can see like references, default team config. Yeah, we can do that. Moving on. that's easy. Audio exports. GA. Ah, neat. Um, Forget it. At the moment, just gotta design it, publish it. Create VT editors. But I've already created the thing. I've already created ViewPress. Manual installation. Install ViewPress VT theme. PNPM. PNPM. Some people say it's faster. It is. Well, that's what's claimed to be fast, space efficient package manager than the alternatives. Really? Oh, frick. Screw it. Okay, so let's change. Okay, so it's not. I don't need config. What is in config? J. That's the config. Okay, and that config was. So that means if I go back to the config.js, I can get rid of this completely. Do I want anything else? You know what? Let's do FAQ. Yeah, FAQ. 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 This ViewPress gonna change this to follow us, and the link. I'll just since a lot of people are on, a lot of these people are on somewhere. Wait, how would I send it again? How do I send these people updates? Telegram channel or what? Hey, how is this? Okay, interesting, I guess. I don't know. Moving on. But, anyway, moving on. Okay, so how would I want them to follow us, but just to get accurate. Follow us on Instagram, HTTPS, Instagram.com, Kotak Network, and I'll do copy this, paste, and then who the heck is Pedakine? Facebook.com. Right. I think there's another thing to put. Copy, or rather, to Discord. R. General. Okay. Okay. So Facebook.com. Actually, I have no idea if my Facebook page is still running on .com. Kotak. Oh, is it Kotak Network official? Looks like it. Yeah, it is. Okay. I guess a to-do part is needed. Follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook. Okay. What's this? What's using view? What's in sidebar? in the sidebar, unless, nope, definitely not there. Okay, so guide. So in the guide, I get this little introduction, which is there. So if I look inside the guide folder, save and ls guide, yeah, that's it. So it's over there. I assume that readme.md is the introduction. And I'm right, so that's where it is. So I guess I'll just have to rewrite this. And I don't want to cheat, but I just gotta put in my little hard work of just writing up what Contact Network is, what this site is about, what this project is about, and well, basically just explain what it is. Contact Network is an e-commerce platform designed to be as free as possible to support MSMEs. Did I just get a message? Nope. Cool. Moving on. Okay, moving on. To support MSMEs is growth, especially for solopreneurs wearing multiple hats every day. Okay. What this platform includes, what this platform can do. Okay, so all this is marked down, so it's just as easy just typing away whatever it is I want. So in here is just upload products, or rather inventory, flexible inventory system. Flexible inventory system. Yeah. What this platform can do. Flexible inventory system. Is should I put that into separate places? Or better yet, I should address what the problem is first before explaining what it can do. The problem. Solopreneurs or entrepreneurs entering the market will start off with the usual basic channels to market their product or service, i.e. Instagram and Facebook. And Instagram and Facebook. The usual spiel requires an entrepreneur newer to open an account on Instagram, find a clever username, research hashtags to compete against, and be actively post trendy pictures and videos. Likewise, for setting up a Facebook page and joining Facebook groups to sellers are a bit more, and if the sellers put in extra effort, they would connect both Instagram and Facebook accounts together to cross post and schedule their posts for future for content marketing strategy. Lastly, they would need to have a business WhatsApp account number to start receiving communications, orders, support directly to their phone or the WhatsApp web. The problem starts when customers tries to do business with this kind of setup. One, Instagram doesn't offer a search feature that resorts customers to doom scrolling. Yes, I like that. That resorts customers to doom scroll and find the product that they wanted to order or buy from that seller. And if the customer is a little bit clever, they would have saved it to a collection or something. But there's no add to cart. That's the thing. That's what I wanted to solve. I'll just put it there. Add to cart. Add to cart hole. Okay. Okay. Facebook page. Not always up to date. Although it has a search feature to filter down the posts to find the product, it still gets mixed up with other posts, with other unrelated posts. Okay, moving on. Customers don't know how to place an order on WhatsApp. Normally, sellers would receive orders via WhatsApp. Wait, that's not the question. Wait, that's not the problem. The problem is sellers have sellers need to manually organize manual order management. We receive orders via WhatsApp and not stored in any database. If the seller wants to manage these orders, they would need to enter um, into an Excel workbook or Google Sheets or some other means to track whether the order has been paid or delivered or packed, etc. What are the problems is there? So basically, this is my little problem um, Contact Network, and it's with the whole MSMEs. They're doing all this Instagram, Facebook stuff, and I am just trying to figure out how to actually explain. Uh, what am I trying to say? They would need to enter into an Excel workbook or Google Sheets. Basically, as a customer, I want an easier way for me to pick and choose the products that I want from this specific seller. And when I place that order, I know it's all from this seller that's going to give me that product. And then if I were to make payment, I'm fine to pay by cash, I'm fine to pay by bank transfer, and I want also an easier option for me to pick and choose whether I want it for me to pick it up or have it delivered. Unfortunately, with these channels of Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp, it's like everywhere. Instead of consolidating into one for that one particular seller. But how would I translate what I just said into here? We'll figure it out. Okay. Okay, so guide, and then instead of using view, I just say add to cart.md. X. What have I done? No. Okay, never mind. Okay. Using view. Let's see. How do you do it? Okay, so it's basically that. Yeah, it's just done it. Okay. Where is my local host? It's missing. Okay, it seems to be missing. Okay, I'll just open up another tab. Localhost 80. Localhost 80. Right. Okay, and then if I go to guide, yep, all of that is there. All the things that I put up is all that. Well, sort of. Okay, so I want to bold this basically. refresh. Yay, bold. Okay, moving on to adding to cart. Add to cart. Actually, I'll just make another folder in here. Side, make directory, features. Okay, and then move add to cart to features. Alright, what does that look like? Ish. The link doesn't show. Okay. W plus config.js. By. Okay, let's see. How does it know? Ah, there it is. There it is. So it's all in here in this little guide. Gotcha. Okay. Okay. Move that in there. So inside this guide, there's a list, and I could add another one. Will that work? Will it work? Will it work? Okay, well, we'll just have to see. Guide, blah blah blah, and then do I want these children to add services? It's good. Add to cart. Okay, so move features add to cart to here. I have features and refresh. Something went wrong. Okay, we have guide. Blah blah. Why did it not show? What? Why is it still showing view plus? No, it's not working. Especially the FAQ, it's still like that. Unless okay, let's try and redo this. Dev it, I guess. See what happens. This one is still there. You know what? It's because I'm at a different site. There we go. There we go. It's all in there now. Oh, no, of course. I haven't put in the FAQ yet. There we go. Introduction, the problem. Perfect. Add to cart. Yes. Okay, so I'm on a roll. Just need to put in more information in here. I don't know what is welcome to contact thing. Shopify. ratio. It won't change. I know I'm on localhost this time. Eh, probably I need to restart this thing again. Repo. We'll work on it after. Okay, so guide. Of course, FAQ. Um, directory FAQ. By FAQ. Me, right. So let's answer a few questions. Um, frequently asked questions. What's a question? Why build Kotak? Currently, there is no other way to build build or own your e-commerce site for free and to start taking orders to start taking customer orders for pickup and or delivery. Without thinking too much on using a payment gateway. How much is it to use Kotak service? It is free. Free for all to use. Let's see what else. Okay, I had something on this one. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I am working on something. I am looking for my notes somewhere stored somewhere on this phone. So many things, so many places. It's crazy. Okay. Moving on. Um, well, okay. So some of these things is basically my little pet peeve of why I want to build this contact service. But I don't think it's appropriate for me to put it here on FAQ. If anyone's reading this, give me ping me on chat. Tell me something. Is it okay for me to say, "Oh, I'm building this because I hate it when people say DM for price, inbox for price, PM me for price." It's ridiculous. I hate that. Who does that? But then again, there's also official businesses who do that. Like, I don't know if anyone's been to Consumer Fair lately, but um, there was several shops. They do have prices open up, in public and all that. But there are certain products they don't want to tell you how much it costs. You would have to go over them and ask them, "Hey, how much is this thing?" And they go, you know, oh, I'll tell you, it's $5. And then after that, we try to haggle because consumer fair. We're trying to haggle. I say, just give it to me for three, and bring it over to the boss and say, haggling it over, putting it down to for $3. It's not just something as small as $5 or $3. There's even bigger products in there. I don't know if you've been there, but I think three of these places. Um, it's so funny the way they actually organize and put the things together. Jintel, Zero, and Bofi. I think there was one more, probably four places like right next to each other. They're all selling almost exactly the same product type. Massaging, the whole massaging of your body and all that. This just and of course, I've been around that area, and I was curious. I was interested. I could go for one of those massage chairs, but I don't really want to spend them kind of money. But then again, I'm buying a computer, graphics card, and all that. Mobile. I'm trying to upgrade my mobile and CPU. Anyways, yeah, and then by simply of asking of how much is this, boss? I want to go buy this thing. They say, oh, it's like $400, $600. Screw that. I'm out of there. Okay. Let's see what else. What else do I want to put in here? Okay, why not let what do I want to call? What do I want to why not let entrepreneurs, why not let MSMEs use Facebook Marketplace or Instagram to promote their products? Contact service doesn't limit them from using social media to reach out to more customers. This service helps. I don't know if I'm getting my point across. I would appreciate if anyone could actually just ping me on chat and tell me if I'm answering this question correctly. Maybe I have a feeling this is one of those frequently asked questions. I'm just trying to explain it in such a way that it doesn't limit them from using another free service. Contact is another free service. I'm just trying to get them to use this contact service as a complementary free service to Facebook Marketplace and an Instagram hashtag competition thing. So, yeah, this service helps them centralize all of their products into one site for each seller. Think of Shopify. That they can own and brand, and that they can own with their branding and add extra offers to it, like coupons and discounts. Probably, yeah. Like you order you order 10, you get 2 free, probably something like that. It's like nasi katok, right? $1.50 for one. You buy 10, that's 15. Just give me like 2 free or something. That they can own with their own branding and add extra offers to it, like coupons or discounts or whatever free. You buy 2, you get 1 for free. You can't do that with Facebook Marketplace or Instagram. Sure, you can say it in the description, but not a lot of people would read that description unless you blare out on pop-ups. but this them does help their customers to avoid their products being flooded on social media. Like you post your product, example. I don't need an example. Like I just hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. Copywriting is not easy at all. Being this whole multiple hats thing is one thing. Another thing that I want to mention is that once I finish building this thing, even if it's not meant for, even if I don't get any potential beta testers, I might be a potential beta tester. I might just try and sell something on my own, you know, sell whatever I got, anything that's secondhand. What do I have? I'll find something to store them. But if I can use it myself and I can properly sell it off to anyone who wants it, to who wants to buy what I offer through my own built service, then that's good enough for me. I'll be really happy that I've finished building this little side project. Okay, so what else? What else? What else? Why build contact? How much is it to use contact service? Why not let the MSMEs promote it? Mm, I guess that's pretty much it. I don't know. I don't know what else to add into it. And status. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this simple. Git add queue status just to check. Yep, git commit -m. What's this? Git emoji. I know it's a memo or a notepad. One of those. Memo. It is. It's memo. Memo. Added FAQ. Perfect. I just git push that. You know I should be putting this into a pull request. Nah. Forget it. It's just a plain static site. It's fine. Moving on to, I don't know if I need to edit anything more in config, but introduction is, it's close enough. Almost close. I just need to update the little hero image, to which I'll get around to. I'll just put inside issues for now. AC update hero image to use product logo currently view plus template. So yes, my little code base here is all open source. If anyone wants to see all my markdown files, which is basically the same as what you're seeing here on stream, it's basically the same thing. Okay, so no biggie, no problem, no biggie. I don't know if I want to add a readme here. Well, yeah, you know what, why not? It's basically the same as my introduction, so I'll just copy and paste. So let's see. So by readme.md introduction. Just to put a little point there. Moving on to by guide readme.md. Yep. And link and back to this, and do I want a badge? Do I want a Netlify badge? I do want a Netlify badge. Let's get a Netlify badge. Netlify where the heck do I put this thing? Netlify. Log in with GitHub. Oh, of course, I gotta put in my 2FA. I use keypad, by the way. Netlify. That's right. I should probably download that icon. Perfect. Okay, and put in my. Alright, TOTP. Done. Nearly done and dusted. Okay, moving on. Contact site. And what am I looking for? I don't know if I can get something like a badge. If I can find a badge. Oh, forms. I have. So there is. I guess I could use Netlify forms. And you receive submissions in your Netlify. Oh, it goes into the Netlify dashboard, not into an Excel sheet. Could be a problem. That could be a problem. No, forget that. Moving on. What's in analytics? Forget it. I don't pay for anything. Just like every other entrepreneurs, right? We are not paying for. I want to say the bad naughty word, but I don't want to get, shadow banned or something by YouTube or Twitch. This is on Twitch and YouTube, by the way. So if anyone wants to take a look at my YouTube channel, just go to youtube.com programmer qdev and you'll find me there as well. If identity, well, I do. Yeah, I need to enable that because I am using CMS. Okay, moving on. Where is it in deploys? I'm looking for the badge thingy. Is it in deploy settings? Continuous deployment. Deploy previews. Build hooks. Deploy key. Did I miss something? Form detection. No, none of those. Interesting. Okay, let me see if I can just do a quick look. Netlify build badge for GitHub. There we go. Netlify deployment badges. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay. Okay, so replace site name with your Netlify site name domain. Okay. So contact site. Just site name to contact site. Site name contact site. G. All right. That should do it. That should do it. Git status. Git add readme.md. Okay, wrong one. Git add readme.md. Git commit-m memo. Added GitHub readme. Push. Moving on to the next thing. You know what? It's getting late. Let me just finish committing most of these to the thing, and then gotta sleep, gotta wake up early in the morning, lots of work to do. I wish I could just keep going all the way to midnight, but I'm getting old, man. It's 35. I think I'm 35. 34? 35. How old am I? Damn it. I can't do math. Okay, 3 minus 19. 35. Okay, so I'll be 35 this year. Yay. Okay, moving on. Okay, so where am I? Get status. Get status. Get add guide. Add to cart. Get commit dash m. I'll just say construction. I think that's construction. Construction for work in progress. Add to cart. Okay. Git add view press config.js. Status. Okay. Git commit dash m, and I will just say how would I change? What is that about configuration? It's not a lipstick thing. No pin. No. Wouldn't say refactor. More like, yeah, that is French. And initial config. Okay. Who else? What else? After committing that, status. What's in? All right, the guide. The guide is the guide. This is the guide. Read me. Right. Git add guide read me md. Git commit. What's in index.md? Index.md. Right. And git add index.md2. And let's see the status. Alright, git commit m memo made changes to content. No, it's gotta be simpler. Initialized intro of what content is. Okay, and git push. Right, that's all the commits. Right, moving on to, no, not this one. There's my, yeah, here we go. Everything is up to date. We got everything a little bit cleaner. What? Could I say that? Yeah, that's correct. Interesting. No. Huh. Interesting. Well, can't really find out what the problem is. Let's just say it's been deployed, I guess. Deploys. Let's take a look. Okay, so publish, yep, including my latest commit. So if I go and take a look at that, right, it's nearly up. and cleaner looking. I just need to update this little hero image. You know what? It's like another 14 minutes. Power through. Let's get that logo out of the way. How did I make that logo? No, not there. Where did I put the logo? What if it's in there? Yeah. Whoop. And if we can find a logo in here somewhere, should be here. Star dot logo. What are we doing? Logo. Logo dot star. No, let's log out. Okay. So not there. Interesting. Where did I put that logo? Can I re-download it from the website? Kah. See profile picture. Edit. Yes, I can. I am a genius. Okay. Chill. I got this. Sides. Contact site. Source. Where do you put? Oh, hey Ruth. Sorry, I just noticed your chat. Should have a self-collect or pickup or cash on delivery option. Right. Yeah. Yeah, I guess. Kotak, kotak. Well, yeah. The idea of a kotak, the whole kotak thingy, was that it's like a cube shop. You know, everything is a cube. It's like another kotak. So you just put the things in there. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for joining me in chat, Ruth. Although I'm almost done with this thing. Need to crash for the night for tomorrow. So kotak logo dash logo dot png. I don't know where to put this. It's got to be somewhere in public, I think. Yeah, public. I assume. I'll just put it here for now. Need to revisit. Public is optional. Where do you put all the images? Let's see. Public static. Yeah, correct. So it's got to be in static. Although, how would you use it though? Well, you wouldn't digest a shelf. But you could digest an ice cube if it's small enough, right? Okay, now how would I? Okay, I'm sure there's a way to actually put in all these. Yeah, asset handling. Okay, so is that image from alias? Yeah, if I want to put more images in here, that'd be great. Base URL, correct public files. In some cases, I would put it in there. Favicons and PWA. Right now, there is no favicon. We'll work on that. We will work on that. At the moment, where did I put it? Okay, here. Okay, so back to this. So there was something in index, I think. By index.id about the hero image. So it's literally there. Okay, so that means this is gonna be crazy and not, but I can't really think of anything to make this easier, because if I happen to change the domain name, this is gonna break. So I'll just try to put it here for now. Kotak logo PNG. Okay. The status. You know what? YOLO it. Git add commit dash m. Okay. Picture. I Gitmoji. Where's my Gitmoji? Gitmoji.dev. I want to add a little art. Art. Lipstick. Okay. So lipstick logo. Git push. A cube shop is basically an inventory food thing. Yeah, almost. I mean, you, uh, it's like another storehouse. You put stuff up on shelf or into cubes, and then customers just walk in and say, "Hey, I want this," but they're all manned by different sellers, like an Amazon FBA kind of thing, fulfillment Amazon warehouse fulfillment branch, whatever it's called. Okay, moving on. I want to see what that looks like. Show me the new build. I'm happy. Okay, moving on. Okay. So guide. Add to cart. Coming up soon. I'll continue working on more and adding more features to this. Should I say? Anyway, FAQ. Yep, all the FAQ is there. I think this is good enough. I mean, just follow us on Instagram. That works. Yeah, that goes to the contact network. Huh. I haven't actually checked on the numbers. It's 55 followers. I only had one post here. Well, it's been a while for a very long time. I'm planning to see if I can do more. Yep. Not sure what that is. Who cares? I'm starting from scratch. Considering I'm starting from scratch. Okay. Hold on. I made a change of the logo, but where did I? But I put it in here. Done. Close the comment. Okay, perfect. What else do I need to do? Basically more info. I do want to add a video, like somewhere here or something. I want to add a video in there so that as soon as people got into the website, they can read a bit on this one, and if they want to see my little video pitch, it'll be great over the not an instructional video, more like a pitching demo video. A short pitch or short demo. I don't want to do a 1 hour video. I just want to keep it really short, really simple, like 15 minutes. Exactly, a landing page. That's right, Ruth. That's right. Just enough to actually explain what I'm doing. I don't want to promise too much. I want to try to keep this as simple and keeping the technical scope as small as possible, because I don't want to overpromise too much and then underdeliver it. No. That's not ideal. I've already learned my lesson in over how many years of me working. Let's just say 12 years. I've been working for 12 years doing all these technical projects, and most of the time companies tend to overpromise and underdeliver their promises, and we get backlashed. So learned my lesson. Nope, gotta keep it simple, really keeping it small. Just an e-commerce site. Just showcase your products, put in your add to cart, sends in the order, the seller gets notified, do the thing. I don't know if I can do more than 3. I think I can do more than 3. Well, I'll test it out tomorrow. Right now it's like midnight. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for joining me on the stream, Ruth. Gotta gonna hit the bed. Until next time.